Today I'm going to show you how to make marble cupcakes. You will need 175 grams of margarine or butter, 175 grams of caster sugar, 175 grams of self-raising flour, 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and half a tablespoon of vanilla essence. Firstly, in a bowl, mix together your butter and your caster sugar until well combined and creamy. Then add your eggs and mix together. And then add your self-raising flour and again mix together until well combined. Then you want to split your cake mixture out into 2 separate bowls, about the same amount in each bowl. Into one bowl add your cocoa powder and mix until well combined. And into the second bowl add your vanilla essence and again mix together until well combined. Then, having pre-lined a cupcake tray with cupcake liners, you want to put 1 spoon of each mixture into a cupcake case and then layer it up, trying to make sure that it's just kind of a spoon of each mixture, so then they're not just half and half. Then once you've spooned in all your mixture, using something like a toothpick or I've used a knife, you just want to put your toothpick into the cake and then move it around. You don't want to mix it, but you want to move it, which should then create that marbling effect inside the cake. Then put it in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 190 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted for about 16 to 20 minutes, or until the cakes, when putting a skewer into the cake, they come out clean. And there you have it. That's how to make marble cupcakes.